In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gcash to your Facebook ad account. Whether you're new to advertising on Facebook or just looking to streamline your payment methods, this step-by-step guide will get you set up in no time. Let's dive right in so you can efficiently manage your ad spending. First, you'll need to navigate to Facebook's Ads Manager. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Facebook Ads Manager. Click on the link to go directly to the Ads Manager page. Once you're there, you'll see the option to go to Ads Manager. Click on this to access your dashboard. Next, it's time to log in. Enter your email and password associated with your Facebook account. If you haven't already logged in, or if you're using a new device, Facebook will ask you for these details to ensure the security of your account. After you've entered your credentials, click on the Login button, and you'll be directed to your main campaign dashboard. From your dashboard, look for the Billing and Payments tab. Click on it to proceed to the next stage. This section helps you manage your payment methods, view transaction histories, and update billing details. Once you are in the billing and payments area, navigate to Payment Settings. This is where you'll add or modify any existing payment details. In the Payment Settings section, you'll find the option to Add Payment Method. Click on that, and a list of available payment methods will appear. Scroll through until you find Gcash, select it to proceed with setting it up as your payment method. Once you've selected Gcash, click on Next to move ahead. Now enter the amount of funds you wish to add to your account. This amount represents the budget you want to allocate for running your ads on Facebook. Be sure to double check this figure to avoid any billing surprises later on. After confirming the amount you want to add, click Next. This step prepares your account for the transaction process. The next screen will prompt you to open Gcash. Click on Open Gcash to either initiate the app on your mobile device or to follow the relevant link if you're on a desktop. You'll then see a QR code that you need to scan with your Gcash app. This scan will authenticate the transaction and complete the setup of Gcash as your payment method. Once the QR code is scanned, Gcash will process the transaction and your setup will be saved. Congratulations, you've successfully added Gcash to your Facebook ad account. This makes managing and tracking your ad spends more straightforward, allowing you to focus on optimizing your campaigns for the best results. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you next time.